Hello, welcome to day 9 of the Java curriculum, learning Java from chatgpt. I previously recorded this video, but then I just accidentally deleted it. So I'll walk you through what I did today. So I chatgpt, and today's lesson was exceptions, so just gave me a tutorial on this. Then I started doing some assignments, gave me 10 assignments, but from now on I'm only doing 3 at the minute, so I did do the first one because we hadn't been taught user input, so the revised assignment was creating an array, a function that creates an array. We go outbound, we catch that exception, and then carried on with the other ones, which didn't do this one because this was file handling, and then this was good, but first off, I declared both functions outside of the class scope, and I made 2 classes. I don't think that's allowed. You need them to be in different packages. So at the end, I had to refactor it so every function was static and it was also inside the bank operations class. And then I also did this one, check insufficient funds, I'll show you here, which threw an exception. It was greater than 50. So I learned here that you can add the throws keyword and then the exception that it throws, and also in creating an exception here, insufficient, you can create your own, and there's this function super, which I think is like stood CER, stood CERR, like we have in C++, and you have extends exception because we're inheriting from exception, so it has the similar capabilities that an exception has. And you've also got, when you're throwing an exception, you have to do throw new. But I think that's to differentiate between the vectors and pass that we have in C and C++. So for instance, you couldn't do throw obj, because that's like you're throwing a function. That's called in most vectors and pass, which is what happens in C++. So to get around this, it seems like you've always got to have the new here. Okay. So, yeah, this was it, and we just had to, I called all of these in here. And with draw funds, I decided to do the try and catch in here. And then also, another thing you can do with this is you can have the finally keyword, and then you can do system.out.print line. This will always work, even if there's no exception, or if there is. Finally, I think it's very strong, very powerful feature of Java. So yeah, that's a recap of what I did today on day 9.